So what's up guys? Today I'm back with another YouTube video. In this video I'm reverting my hair from straight to curly. Right there I just showed the product I was using, which was the Aphogee keratin protein shampoo. I didn't have any more conditioner, and I didn't feel like going out to get any. Um, so I just sectioned my hair off into two sections. Um, I'm starting with my left, but the inner viewer is the right side. But I'm just putting it on there because I don't like to fully wet my hair when I first revert it from straight to curly, because it mats and it just tangles up. So I wanted to put a product on it. I usually would put um, a conditioner, but today, like I said, I only have the protein shampoo, which in a sense is the pairing. What am I trying to say? It pairs with the protein conditioner, so it's the second best thing. Um, so yeah, I use that in a brush and a comb to get it through my hair. The side I did first is gonna revert back quicker than the side I'm on right now, because for some reason that side of my hair is curlier than the side I'm on right now. So I probably should have did it the other way around and started on the less curly side of my hair, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm just brushing it through. You can see that side of my hair, the first side I started on, it's starting to curl up. I hope I don't get any heat damage because I'm editing this while my hair is still reverting back, so I don't know. But I hope I don't have any heat damage. You can see that side is like fully reverting back now. It's everything coming back to it. And that side is still straight. So, yeah. And don't mind me talking in the video. I was on the phone, so that's why I was talking. But yeah, I just got up close so y'all could see that side of my hair. I don't think I'm gonna post a curly hair routine after this, but not right now because I don't feel like doing my hair. I literally only reverted this back because I was tired of it being straight. It got greasy after 3 days. It's been in the ponytail ever since, and I only usually get my hair straight to get my ends clipped. I don't like my hair straight. I don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna post a curly hair routine after this, but this was the first step into it because before this I straightened my hair. So yeah.